guess what happened? We can't find my truck, and we took the wrong turn, and now we're lost. We're lost, guys. No signal. Out in the wilderness. I don't know what's gonna happen. I can't do this. I'm not trained for this.
First I didn't think that I was cut enough to bleed. Then I saw my secrets getting swallowed by the sea. Through a telescope I saw a diamond glow. How you brought me home, I guess I'll never know. With God as my witness, never had it so good. Jumping into love, fires it's a dry wood. Started off as nothing, now it's gold, and it's all on you. With God as my witness, never had it so good. Jumping into love, fires it's a dry wood. Started off as nothing, now it's gold, and it's all on you.
We're vlogging today. Alright, that's the point. Vernal Falls, that's the mission. Are we gonna make it? We're not aware of that. We only have 4 little bars of snacks to eat. So it's a mission.
I'm over here.
No. Yeah, we're over here. That's 4 Mile Trail, bitch. That's a different one. This was this one.
It's not it.
Which is the other one?
Is it cold?
Hella cold.
Oh, fuck. And you wanna go swimming? No mames.
No,
Oh, dude, that feels hella fresh.
That's just cold. I'll get used to it.
I'm gonna take a rock home.
Come on, we'll take the shuttle back. And then we're gonna go all the way to Heffron. Oh, that's where you hike the whole gallery. No, we're good. What's up, guys? He's already tired. Still got a long way to go. We're here, not even halfway done. We're out here, gang. Come on, follow me.
We made it to the waterfall. Oh, shit. I think you're right. It's hard to get down.
We're going back down, guys. We're going back down.
What do you think? What do you think's harder, going back up or going back down?
I think up is kind of easier. Going down is hard.
No.
You're tired already, exhausted, but then the guns come in. Woo!
I'm gonna run all the way down.
How does
I'm recording on my GoPro.
You gonna run back down?
We'll just go with the flow.
We'll find you on the ground. Halfway down.
Halfway down his face.
Fucking.
It's a rock. Whoa, what happened here? You should slow down. Go ahead.
You actually gonna go?
Yeah. Alright, guys.
We'll see you on the somewhere in the halfway.
Here goes one of my soldiers. Fix that rock right there. Alright, so we're already halfway down. How do you feel about this hike?
I don't know if it's halfway down, but going up, I was dying. Going down feels much better.
Horse trails? So this is horse trails, all this? Yeah, we're right here. So we
Okay.
went to Vernal Falls, toilet.
It still keeps going?
Yeah, Emerald Pool. And then Nevada Fall, and if there's toilet, and if we go hike all the way to the top.
What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing, but I think it's working.
What?
Switch it up, switch it up. Can we go sideways? Hey, well.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
It's a fake ass deer.
Nah, it's a real deer.
It's my girl Yolanda.
We're also trying to look for the truck. I don't know where I parked. I can't remember. Oh man.
Just go check. Just go check.
We passed it. I'm serious.
It's a valley, it's alright.
Oh. I parked on this. Go ahead. Let's go check.
Wanna go check? I wanna go check.
We gotta take a shuttle back then. We passed my truck because I remember it was from the food court. It was like right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this one still follows the river. Yeah, man. I'm telling you guys.
We should have took the shuttle.
We lost the track.
Hold on. That's 12, number 12. Fuck, man. We passed a long time ago.
Because we went to the back.
We did pass.
We went to the back. You want to work from here or to the apartment? Guess what happened? We can't find my truck. And we took the wrong turn and now we're lost. We're lost, guys. No signal. Out in the wilderness. I don't know what's gonna happen. I can't do this. I'm not trained for this. Right there.
They found us, guys.
Oh my God! Take me to my truck!